Welcome back, everyone. Let's solve LeetCode 206, reverse a linked list. Pretty straightforward question here. Given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reverse list. So this is a good problem to work on your pointers. And notice how all the pointers are just in the reverse direction, essentially, right? When I show you the visualization in the next screen, it'll make a lot more sense. But list node 5 becomes the head, right? And then list node 1 becomes the tail. This example is just a smaller example, same logic, and some edge cases here, right? If we have no nodes, we'll just return none, right? With that being said, let's go look at this illustration here. So as I mentioned before, reversing this linked list would just look something like this, right? We would take this guy, we'll take this pointer, bring it here, okay? And then we'll take this guy here, take its pointer, reverse it. And then finally, this last node here, take that guy and its pointer, and then we reverse it. And then this here becomes the new head, right? So the approach is pretty straightforward. We're going to use some pointer logic here. And essentially, if I walk you through this, so I'll do a step-by-step dry run of what happens. We will have something like a prev node, which it's pointing to none right now, right? And then we'll have current node for the head. So this is current, and then we'll have a next pointer here. So a step-by-step iteration would just look something like this. All right, while current, which exists, and I'll go ahead and write the code at the same time. So we'll say define reverse linked list. It's going to take in the head. Okay, great. All right, with that being said, okay. So like I mentioned, I said we're going to define a prev variable. So prev equal to none. And that's why I labeled prev all the way over here, because it's pointing to none, okay? We'll go ahead and say while head, we'll say cur is equal to head. All right, so while cur, we'll get our next pointer, and then we'll say next is equal to cur dot next. And that is correct, right? Next is equal to cur dot next. Okay, so now we're gonna say cur dot next is gonna point to prev. And I'll drop this down just a little bit. So cur dot next, this guy, we are gonna point it to prev. Okay, great. So I said cur dot next equal to prev, right? Okay, great. And then now let's update our prev pointer to come here. So prev is equal to cur, right? Okay. And then last but not least, we need to update cur. So cur is equal to next. All right, so back inside this loop, while cur, next is equal to cur dot next. So next is equal to cur dot next, right? Cur dot next is this guy here. So next is equal to cur dot next. And then we say cur dot next, this guy here, that pointer, we're gonna set it equal to prev, right? Prev, perfect. And then we say prev is equal to cur. Cur is equal to next. All right, so is this condition still holding? Yes, it is. So next is equal to cur dot next here. Cur dot next, this guy, now is equal to prev, right here. And then prev is equal to cur, right there. Okay, and then next line, cur is equal to next. All right, so back to this while loop, no, because there is no cur. Cur and next are both pointing to none, right? They're not pointing to anything. So what variable do we have reference to return? Yeah, very simple, right? We just return this, prev. So we're gonna return prev, and that's the solution. Let's go ahead to LeetCode and let's see if it works. So prev is equal to none, cur is equal to the head. Okay, so while cur next, and I'll call it next node. Next node is equal to cur.next. Cur.next is equal to prev, right? Prev is equal to cur. And then finally, cur is equal to the next node. And like I mentioned before, the last variable we'll have reference to is prev. And let's see if this works. Submit it. Great, it works. So the runtime here is big O. So the time is just big O of n, where n is the size of the given input. And the space here is just big O of 1. We're not creating any extra objects in memory, so the space complexity is constant. With that being said, whatever platform you're on, please like, subscribe, follow, you name it, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.